Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today we have the QVC Tili box, which is Try It, Love It. And it is a beauty subscription box that you get from QVC. And it's $25 with free shipping and handling. And it usually has 5 or 6 products in it, some full size, some sample size. So let's get in here and see what we've got. This January Tili box is once again late. It is January 29th, and I have just received this. And it acted like it was going to ship on the 3rd, and then it just showed up. I never got shipping or anything for it, so it's quite an intriguing box. Some months it comes exactly when it says it's going to. Some months you have to wait for several weeks. But if you have any interest in it, you just go on to QVC and sign up for the Tili box on auto delivery, and you will get it once a month. So let's open this up. I took it out of the big brown QVC box that it comes in because you guys don't care about seeing me open a big brown box, but I love this month's box because it's got lips and lipstick and false eyelashes, and it is just so cute this month. All right, also on top of it, we have a piece of paper which tells us a little bit about the person that they collabed with and the products that we have involved. And what they have started doing is each month they collab with some kind of blogger or YouTuber or somebody like that. I haven't really known who any of them are yet, and let them make the selections for the box. And it's just based on things that QVC carries. So when you open it up, it is just wrapped up in tissue paper. Mostly not for decorative purposes, just for keeping it safe, but that works for me. And that's what we have inside. So let's dig in and see what that is. Let me tell you a little bit in case you happen to know who this person is. They have collabed this month with Mego. Oh no, Meg. Oh, not Mego. Oh boy, it's gonna be one of those unboxings, guys. And it says, "Hi friend, my name is Meg, and I'm a beauty lover, mommy, and lifestyle blogger." So she's a lifestyle blogger. And I'm not going to read any more because I see that it's going to start telling us some of the things we have in here. So reaching right in, I have the Radiance by Beauty Bio, and it is a brightening omega and rosehip seed facial oil. It is a tiny little bottle, but it's a little oil, and it is so cute. That is what it looks like. And it is so small that I really almost can't see if they've told us. Oh no, it doesn't say on here. They haven't told us what the size is. Let's read about it and see if this tells us. What they generally do with the paperwork is they give us the full-size prices sometimes, but I will look up the full-size price and the equivalent of what we received and let you know here. Beauty Bio, the Radiance Brightening Rosehip Seed Facial Oil is lightweight, fast absorbing, and absorbs quickly onto skin without leaving an oily feel. This layerable facial oil can be worn alone, under makeup, or combined with other skincare products or foundation. So that is interesting. And they give us no sizing on this, so I will see what I can find about sizing and pricing. Okay, next we have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And it says it's a mini, so it's more than a sample, but I guess less than a full-sized one. And we will take it out. This color is not on here. Very interesting. Let's see what this says. Does this not come in a color? 24-hour invisible and shaping setting gel for brows. So that's why there's no color. It's going to be clear. Well, that is very interesting. Look how pretty the bottle is. That is so cute. It's like a little genie thing. I like it. And when we open it, which I will because I will absolutely play with this. Oh, it's kind of, I hope you guys can see it. It's like a flat brush. It's wide, but then it's narrow. That is so interesting. It makes it so much easier to use for people like me who have a really small eyebrows. Being flat on one side makes it so easy to use. I don't feel, you know how sometimes, we'll see as it dries, but you know how sometimes you do a brow gel and you feel kind of like it's hardening up? It doesn't feel like that yet. Let's see what the paperwork says. Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter Mini shapes and tames brows and locks on makeup so brows don't pull a disappearing act. The custom molded dual-sided wand coats hairs from root to tip, and the flexible flake scent-free formula is easy to apply and quick to dry. So we will absolutely give that a try. It doesn't seem to be hardening weird, so that's a good thing. Next I have from Bare Minerals a Gin Nude Patent Lip Lacquer in Darling. That's the color in Darling. That's what the box looks like. Let us get in here. I am sorry, my nails are in need of doing. Oh, it's a very nice wearable nude pinkish kind of color. That is awesome. I'm so excited. Let's see what this says. The Bare Minerals Gin Nude Patent Lip Lacquer combines a high shine finish with full coverage color in nude shades, designed to be perfect for every skin tone. The formula helps to keep lips soft, smooth, and hydrated. The dual-sided flocked applicator provides easy one-coat coverage for ultra-comfortable wear. Well, let's give it a try. I have on a little bit of pink, but it could use a little nude over. This, again, is one of those ones that is very flat, but when you turn it on its side, see how narrow it is? Very interesting. We have a theme going on. That's nice. So is a lip lacquer going to stay like a gloss, or is this meant to dry down? We'll see. It feels right now very much like a gloss, and it's sweet. I like the sweet one. All right, reaching in next, I have, uh-oh, it fell out. What do you think it was? Oh, this is, well, there you go. This is the Radiance Brightening Omega Rosehip. Apparently, this little fella came in a big package. Oh, it came out, so we didn't know that. Use morning and night after cleansing. Twist cap and squeeze dropper to release 1 to 2 drops onto fingers and massage over face or target areas. All right. Avoid direct eye contact. Very good to know. And now I know that we have 0.10 fluid ounces or 3 mLs. So that will make it easier when I'm looking up the pricing. Okay, next I have an, oh yay. This comes in Tili a lot. If you're me, that's a fantastic thing because I love it. And whenever I try a new moisturizer that doesn't love my face, or I should say my face doesn't love, I always go back to this Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. And this seems like nothing. It's just a little tube and it's half an ounce. But this is like $30 or $40 worth, I think. I will look it up. You're seeing that now. But it's like half of a full size. And those are like $80-something. So I'm pretty sure that this is, although it looks like a little tube of nothingness, it is a really good product to get in a box. Especially, like I said, if you're me and you use the heck out of it. This says that the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream is a daily moisturizer formulated with Padina pavanica. Padina pavanica. I don't think I've ever read those words before. Pro-Collagen Marine Cream helps to moisturize and improve the appearance of dry, fine lines. I agree. I like it very much. And if you have sensitive skin, I have no issues using this, just as an FYI. Reaching in next, I have a little packet. And it is a Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. And it's just a tiny little foil packet. I'm not sure that you could even do your whole face once with this little fella. The paperwork says that it is a hydrating and calming mask recommended for daily use. All right. I'm looking over the ingredients and it's a lot of natural things. It's got cucumber and pineapple and papaya and sugar maple, sugar cane, aloe vera. It's got lemon fruit oil, orange fruit, mango. I will probably go ahead and pop this because with the pineapple, papaya, and all of the orange and lemon in it, it's probably a little too much for my skin. So it's just a one little pack, but I will pop it in the giveaway. And now that I'm mentioning the giveaway, let me say, I'm not ignoring it. I know it feels like I'm ignoring it. I'm getting ready to go on vacation and I want to be able to do some of my February boxes that are getting ready to come. You guys know how I like to give you extra chances to get entries. I want to be able to do that with this giveaway too, but I don't really have many boxes right now to give that opportunity. And then I'm going to be gone for a week. So it may get pushed back a little bit. We are doing that 4K giveaway very soon. Next, I have a Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. And that is what that looks like. These Hey Honey products have such a cult following. People love these. This is also 0.5 ounces. And the paperwork says, Hey Honey Come Clean. Is it propolis or propolis? Mineral Facial Scrub is a rich cleansing and exfoliating scrub. It deep cleans the skin, dissolving residue and removes makeup and other surface level dirt and debris. The non-abrasive crystalline beads help to gently exfoliate, while the formula includes propolis extract to help moisturize the skin. And I just looked over the ingredients, and I think this is the first Hey Honey product that I have received that I can actually use. So that's kind of fun. Next, I have the It Vitality Lip Flush Stain. Oh, I've never tried this one, I don't think. It looks like a full size, too. They have a je ne sais quoi lip that goes on like a balm and it changes to your pH. So I don't know if that's what this is and just a new name or what, but it is in a pretty bullet. And like I said, it is full size. So this has probably got a nice value too. Let's see what the paperwork says and then we'll play with it. Vitality Lip Flush Anti-Aging Lipstick Stain takes the place of your lipstick, conditioning lip balm, ultra hydrating lip gloss, and lip stain. The formula includes ingredients such as plum oil, cherry oil, shea butter, aloe, and jojoba that help hydrate and condition and nourish your lips. All right, let's open this. Wow, it's... Is it sealed? No. Oh. Anyway. Oh, it's a very pretty color. I thought it was going to be more of a balm. Oh, it's very warm. I will for sure give that a try. It feels, you can see the shine coming off of it. It's got great creaminess and shine, but it is a very warm color. But we'll give it a try. Next we have the Fruitia Antioxidant Power Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Cream. And that is what that looks like. This looks also to be like it's a full-size item. All right, let's see what the paperwork says, and then we'll play with this too. So this says Fruitia Citrus Brightening Cream. And that is not what this says. This says Fruitia Citrus Brightening Cream, and this says Fruitia Pomegranate Nourishing Cream. So I'm going to read off the box for this one. I think that happened last time we got the Fruitia also, because I think that time I was supposed to get the citrus, or this talked about the citrus, and I got the pomegranate too. So very interesting. Maybe that's the problem with why they keep coming late. Maybe they're not getting the products they think they're supposed to. By containing pomegranate extract with rich polyphenol ingredients, instead of water, this cream turns dry skin into moist and resilient skin. It says the adenosine ingredient helps improve wrinkles of the skin, while pomegranate oil and tomato seed oil of... This is a Korean beauty product, and this is the first one that I have had a hard time. I can't just read you these words because they're not. It says adenosine ingredient helps in improving wrinkles of the skin, while pomegranate oil and tomato seed oil of fruits seed oil complex maintain skin's moisture barrier. The moisturizing cream with pomegranate pudding-like texture has completed skin irritation test and thus can be used on sensitive skin with ease. Okay. I have just read through the ingredients and it has grapefruit seed oil in it. Well, I'll go ahead and open the box, but I'm going to put this in my giveaway because I am allergic to grapefruit seed oil. So I will leave the jar unopened, but we'll open the box so I can show it to you guys. It looks so cute. It looks like a little honey pot, like Winnie the Pooh needs to be showing it to you. Isn't that so cute, guys? Oh my goodness. I love the look of that. The look alone makes me wish I could use it. All right, I will set that aside for a giveaway. And that is the January Tili box for 2020. I cannot believe we're in 2020. Oh my goodness. We received the full-size Fruitia moisturizer, which is a Korean beauty product, so that's kind of fun. We received the full-size It Lip Flush in this pretty color. The Radiance Brightening Oil. Also full-size, I would say, Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lippy. The Mini 24-Hour Brow Setter from Benefit. the Hey Honey exfoliant and a full ½ ounce of the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, which is good stuff. So now you should have the total of the entire box, which I would imagine, sitting here now, having not looked it up, is a pretty good number. That's why I haven't canceled this box. Generally speaking, there is something in it that absolutely makes the $25 worthwhile. Like, I mean, I'm sure that this is probably more than the $25. I will absolutely use both of the lippies. Actually, this over this, let's put it over it on the back of my hand. I bet this over that would be really, yeah, it's a lip gloss, by the way. Would be, oh, it's darker than I thought. I hadn't realized, can you see where I've put it over it? I didn't realize when I put it on my lips how much darker it was. Very interesting. Might like that on its own. And like I said, I bet this more than pays for the cost of the box too. So thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to spend with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.